mà là cái chẳng đỡ chạy nhor cái đúng dit media cái chẳng bang one cái pai warau cái ron khi nó đang rau để dân đang rau để diệt an mak bangut gốc bây giờ nông lỡ trên con để là nông nghiệp nó chẳng cái đúng dit media cái tí lát cái rồi để rồi South Sudan cái này win mo nên đó điền anh nói là cái chẳng cái bang one cái pai warau đúng dit media bên nó update nó cái thế chứ là cái con nên đang rau thế update đến nhà mà bao nông nghiệp wala ta anda na chaka mi oil field like lich rapid support post bagaroi ka ta da ne ja kam ne je bagaroi ka relationship kam Sudan government kana South Sudan bagaroi boka mar na da kam South Sudan government kana rapid support post mere oda bala war ga anda ne cha gor government of China ana kume China cha gor war ga ko kume Sudan ko agreement dia ne apai ni ga 1995 3 decade 30 years agreement ko oil production ga Sudan ja end a Chinese government cha requested ko be your contract do be officially be close ke end of December. That means Chinese government now is preparing to take all the properties of China to conduct oil industry ka Sudan. So when we talk about oil industry ka Sudan, there is no different come the South Sudan because we don't have our own oil industry. Industry ja ka Sudan, pipeline, refineries, and all the facilities ka Sudan belong to Chinese people. So now with this termination of the contract, it means the oil production in Sudan, notably that of South Sudan, is stopped automatic. So no more message in an about Rajode, ko chukume Sudan, the Chinese government can notify ko agreement and to end officially after 30 years. When the audience bala shutdown of the oil production, ta na cha gagaye. Ko jen balep, ka balep nei. What are the situation now on the road? Come country in Daro, South Sudan regarding the oil production. So the rock and about no yagadung did media while like a washang darm. Melarne ko miran jo mala jaki ne ko dong ko la work ne til yang ne ko dung did media linge be a like be a share. We will share bane one la ne kon yang tung nuara na. Baga ja jaga bar de kon tin nong ne ke ka dung did media. Chana nen pan nen wo glitch la oil field cha cup rapid support first. So kabeka boje yetegatiji involved in that situation. Tita dan nelatke kane te kon till I witnessed what the Sudan Armed Force kon desert legend ahead of arrival of rapid support force ko oil field. Kon desert ni Sudan Armed Force we desert towards South Sudan. To chop the territory of South Sudan to take contact with people in Unity State, the government apparatus, the army, to tell we go chaka yen our territory will come to territory of South Sudan. And then immediately the rapid support force area chelo control. But major day Sudan may chop South Sudan, Chikume South Sudan, Cheguwe de che organize, Morocco Yanga Wanamo. Oh, we are glitch. We are glitch, there are facilities to con ahead of Ben rapid support force, they are our control. So much our own work immediately rapid support force the shop area. And that is the picture we see today, large Sudan government and native Joyko. Glitch, a joint operation between rapid support post and SPDF. Immediately, Neri culture scene. Sugar element of SPLM. I mean SPLA, la SPDF. A Michel Gano, the situation comes Sudan. ta ro la da tin when de ga te mar ka te ga mar che nyut very clear and the government of South Sudan la kuma Salva Kiir is supporting the rebel. So we support rapid support force openly as we see today kata na chi cooperate ke rapid support force ko yol feel ke glitch. So that is a very clear definition of mara mara. So Sudan government know this. Yeah. And they show last evidence. Which is South Sudan court red-handed conflict. And South Sudan now is trying to distance itself, saying that we are neutral in this situation, which is not substantial. The argument may be accepted wherever. They open all the gate for rapid support force to operate in South Sudan soil, like their training centers, their hospital, and all this. Sudan. They have their oil facilities in Juba, which are obvious, like a Canadian. So, Mr. Keno, Chairman of South Sudan, Alakume Salva Kiir, ka balance, she put in a balance. That means, and when a share rapid support for the share support. The infiltration the government of Sudan, which calculation of the oil production and oil quality in Sudan flow to Sudan. Up to this stage, up to this day, in Sudan government is in control of the pipeline. Pipeline, we talk about the mainstream, I mean the downstream of the pipeline, not the upper stream. One down a quillointin, Mabakolo what eating, Bakolo of facilities to Bakolo transport to the market. Again, the main thing, the kale can have oil field. That means rapid support force can be in control at this time. Glitch. Kama ba madakan ke SPLM ke kume South Sudan. Lakin the reality with oil production is completely stopped. Biegu del gwe katangwe yaku oil production na tukle naka Port Sudan tara naka glitch. Already in this conflict come kumundara. And the position of South Sudan government, the Georgia is supporting rapid support force. South Sudan government was trying to say in one and a glitch. Bapan, a lot of militarized zone, negotiating with Imiti, this following day. As we see the group is one glitch. Takan the Altina Wulu na Mamuni na Lunya Dien. So they were trying to talk to rapid support force that will be at a distance. Facilities of the oil field. Like rapid support force say no, we are in control of the oil field, it's a part of Sudan, Sudan government, Sudan armed post, we control them. So now, rapid support force is in the control of the oil field. Sudan government have control of the oil facility. So Sudan government bejai, Banglat. Tell me long a So, and Mr. Keno, Chala one of Ta Nanajan and Giglich, Sudan government can also Sudan Chago collide. And we will see the developments in the coming time. Go politically, and we will talk, come win a road. Banakal link. Merauda, Ewarganda, and Chagor Kume China. A la Chinese government. La People Republic of China. Chagwar warga Sudan government duma warga of request ko our agreement China 1995 for the productions of the oil in Sudan to come to an end. Get 30 of August. 30 of December this month. So now it is the year ko tell South Sudan Douglasin, Belongalan, tell rapid support force tell Douglasin, Belongalan, tell region tell Douglasin, belong alone about it. Is the Sudan government with Chinese government. Chinese government, there is a conflict that will last for many years in Sudan. And that conflict, oil production in Sudan never allow. They concede. They agree with Sudan government that Bakwakin withdraw, they go to China. So we know oil industry in Sudan, it was a lot backhands, a limit. Whatever it is. Tell them on, but oil produce, when rapid support force, Jaka English, Sudan government, take up Port Sudan. No, Mukune Laro de jure, government of China will close the oil facility in Sudan. Because all the companies. Because all the companies think on the oil, qua drill, qua produce ka Sudan, ka South Sudan, they will stop. Which is a picture and all road, very soon. Oil, which I shut down, what are the complications? Can we talk about all these things? The government of South Sudan, to collapse. Even with that small amount of money that you oil, this following years to now to collapse economically. Ko you call no oil, I can call a few people. Till we talk about corruption in South Sudan for all these years. Ko area yo kume, la yo wech, chakla we jem ne. So you like a oil. The small amount of money that we get from our market, a few individual, okay. They are richest more than any person in South Sudan. Economic all part of it is collapsing. Civil serve, to collapse till you the cup. Military, you collapse. All the organized forces, to collapse till Misham. Security everywhere is a collapse. So, I know, the only thing that we are seeing, again, those few, to Toronto, to Chamko oil monitor, to Shalrock on Kumoto, to Dakajinu Sudan in the name of the government, because of the oil money. So, much I got today, it is a victory. Kijinubin. Mija collab oil production, a victory Kijinubin. A victory because nobody benefit. Limited production no one. There are benefit. And now if it is closed, it's better that for sustainability. Regard the current bug future, Baba Jerkin. If they use today, if they use. So, continue to we can talk about this three things as an update of today. Me talk about English. Ko English me kume me withdraw wala kume Sudan me de me word toward Geneva Sudan. And that confusion go the element of SVDF chikamal chop ke English. Chikamarum ke rapid support first. Me nyot Sudan government clear. And South Sudan is supporting rapid support post. And they were even saying an operation and Anna join English. It's a joint operation between South Sudan government and a rapid support force. So on a relationship between the two countries, just severe. We will see the development the coming day. Come South Sudan, Sudan regarding the capturing of English. Tana Jakam English. But Sudan government officially, the Chinese People Republic. Our agreements of 1995 come to an end. So Chinese government now is preparing to pack all these things for China. Oil field with enmity. So now the jure that we said, and we talk also on the shutdown of the oil production ka Sudan. South Sudan, the consequences what target individuals. Those individuals we talk about them go content cham garol tingal in the name of the government. and their power oil money, that is more amount of oil money they get. So in terms of close shagok, the way forward, bane we con the arcane. So the raw can dig on yake watch and dara me go did media la nega cook update, and all is about the new phenomenon. Ta situation will come Sudan, can South Sudan, Ben oil, Uma oil, rapid support post, and government of South Sudan. So we call it a day, and we thank you, Kuisha War, Shukran.